Hello everyone, and welcome back to It Master. In today's class, we are going to explore something that can truly change the way you work every single day: Chrome extensions for productivity and design. This session is titled Productivity Power-Up, Chrome Extension Showdown. We'll look at 5 powerful extensions, understand their features in detail, and see how they can save time, boost creativity, and improve workflow. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be ready to integrate these tools into your own design and creative process. So let's get started. Before we dive into the extensions, let's first understand why AI and productivity tools matter so much in today's world. AI is no longer just a side tool. It has become an essential part of design and creative industries. It helps us work faster. It reduces repetitive tasks. And it allows us to focus on creativity instead of wasting hours on small things. Now, before we explore the top 5 extensions, let's quickly learn how to install any Chrome extension. Step 1. Open your Chrome browser. Step 2. In the address bar, type chromewebstore.google.com. This will open the Chrome Web Store. Step 3. Use the search bar to type the name of the extension you want. Step 4. When you find it, click on the extension. Step 5. Click the blue button that says Add to Chrome. Step 6. A pop-up will appear. Confirm by clicking Add Extension. That's it. The extension is now installed. You can see its icon in the top right corner of your Chrome browser. From there, you can open it or manage its settings. Now that you know how to install extensions, let's move on to our list of the 5 best tools that will supercharge your productivity and design workflow. Let's now look at the first extension, ChatGPT for Google. This extension adds ChatGPT results directly inside your Google searches. Imagine searching for UI design trends 2025. Instead of only browsing multiple links, you get an instant summary right next to your search results. For example, if you are researching color palettes for a client project, you type modern color palettes for UI design. ChatGPT will instantly give you suggestions and explanations about why certain colors work together. This saves time, and it also helps you understand context instead of simply copying ideas. For students, this is also a huge benefit when preparing assignments or learning new tools. Instead of spending hours reading different articles, you can learn faster with summarized, accurate results. The second extension is Grammarly. Designers often write proposals, client messages, or project documentation. Grammarly is an AI writing assistant that checks your grammar, spelling, and tone in real time. For example, if you type a client email, Grammarly can suggest polite wording, correct mistakes, and make your writing sound professional. This saves time and helps maintain credibility. But Grammarly isn't only about fixing mistakes, it can also suggest better vocabulary, rewrite sentences to be more clear, and adjust your tone depending on the situation. If you're sending a formal email, Grammarly will keep your language professional. If you're writing for social media, Grammarly can make it more casual and engaging. Now let's talk about the third extension, Loom. Explaining design work through long emails is difficult. Loom solves this problem. It allows you to record your screen and camera together, then instantly share the video link. For example, if you have a Figma design and want to show changes to a client, you can simply record a Loom video and send it. Clear, fast, and effective. Another example, if you are teaching a student how to use Photoshop, instead of typing step-by-step instructions, you just record your screen with Loom, explain as you go, and share the link. This saves hours of typing and prevents miscommunication. The fourth extension is Muzli by Invision. Every designer needs inspiration, but searching for new ideas can sometimes take more time than the actual design work. Muzli is an extension that transforms your new browser tab into a design inspiration board. The moment you open a tab, you'll see fresh UI and UX designs, creative shots, and design ideas curated from the best platforms. For example, if you're working on a website redesign, Muzli can show you trending layouts and color combinations every time you open a new tab. This is especially helpful when you're stuck in a creative block. Instead of waiting for inspiration, you get daily ideas automatically delivered. The fifth extension is Tango. Documentation is often boring and time-consuming. Tango makes it automatic. When you perform any task in your browser, Tango captures screenshots step by step and creates a guide with instructions. This is amazing for teaching others, creating tutorials, or training new team members. For example, showing how to export images from Figma can become a ready-made guide in seconds. Imagine you are onboarding a new teammate. Instead of writing a 10-page manual, you just do the task once, and Tango generates a step-by-step tutorial with screenshots. This is a huge time saver for teachers, managers, and designers who want to focus on real work instead of documentation. Now let's connect these tools together. ChatGPT for Google speeds up research. Grammarly makes your writing shine. Loom simplifies communication. Muzli fuels your creativity. Tango automates documentation. Together, these 5 extensions create a productivity system where repetitive work is minimized and creativity is maximized. Think of it this way: every small task you do in your daily workflow can either waste time or save time. With these extensions, you're cutting out hours of wasted effort and focusing only on what matters: creativity, problem solving, and growth. These extensions are not just standalone tools. They can integrate with your favorite design ecosystem, whether it's Figma, Photoshop, Notion, or Trello. For example, Loom videos can be embedded in Notion pages. Grammarly works inside Trello cards. Tango can document your Figma processes. And Muzli gives you inspiration while you work on Photoshop. This means your design ecosystem becomes smarter, more connected, and more efficient. But here's something important to remember: many designers fear AI because they think it will replace jobs. The truth is, AI is not here to replace us, it's here to assist us. Those who learn how to use AI tools will always be more valuable than those who avoid them. The future belongs to learners and adapters, not to people who resist change. To wrap up, we've seen 5 game-changing Chrome extensions that make research faster, writing sharper, collaboration smoother, creativity stronger, and documentation effortless. Now it's your turn. Try these extensions and share your experience in the comments. Which one did you find most useful? If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, subscribe to Master, and click the bell icon so you never miss our upcoming lessons on AI and productivity. Stay creative, stay productive, and I'll see you in the next class.